Welcome to SciFlux. Here you get daily coverage of the latest scientific research. Every day, we bring you new research in a clear and simple format so you can stay informed without wasting time. Like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment to stay connected and help this channel grow. And if you want each new research delivered directly to you, join the SciFlux newsletter. This study evaluates virtual reality, VR simulations, as a tool to enhance pediatric emergency training for medical students. Addressing the gap between limited real-world experience and the high stakes of pediatric emergencies, the researchers implemented a 45-minute VR scenario of a newborn with late-onset sepsis integrated into a seminar with peer and expert feedback. Among 116 participants, knowledge scores rose significantly from 780 to 1090 out of 12, with improvements across 5 of 6 diagnostic and therapeutic measures. Self-assessed competence also increased from 2.68 to 4.15 on a 5-point scale. Students reported highly positive experiences, praising both the VR software and its pedagogical integration. The findings demonstrate that VR simulations effectively enhance both theoretical knowledge and practical skills, making them a powerful, motivating educational tool. This research supports broader integration of VR in medical curricula, offering a scalable approach to better prepare future healthcare professionals for pediatric emergencies. This study addresses the rising risk of human-animal collisions, particularly at night, by developing an Ensemble simulation model using thermal imaging. Unlike conventional cameras, thermal sensors detect heat signatures, allowing the system to spot animals even in darkness or fog. The model processes thermal images to provide fast and accurate alerts to drivers, giving critical seconds to react and avoid collisions. By targeting a wide range of animals, from street dogs to low-flying peacocks, this approach significantly enhances road safety for both humans and wildlife. The findings highlight a promising integration into smart vehicle technologies and IoT ecosystems, offering a scalable, effective solution for preventing nighttime collisions and improving overall traffic safety. This study tackles the challenge of urban pothole detection by leveraging deep learning, specifically YOLOV8, to identify road hazards in real time with high speed and accuracy. The system achieves 92.7% precision and 87.5% recall, ensuring reliable detection while minimizing missed potholes. Beyond detection, the model integrates an automated alert mechanism, sending instant SMS notifications with GPS coordinates to relevant contacts, streamlining the reporting process for timely repairs. By automating both identification and communication, this approach enhances road safety, reduces vehicle damage, and improves infrastructure maintenance efficiency, offering a scalable, cost-effective solution for urban environments like Mumbai. This study addresses the challenge of understanding how students strategically use AI in self-regulated learning by developing a validated strategy inventory grounded in a comprehensive conceptual framework. Tested with over 1,100 Chinese university students, the instrument identifies 8 distinct factors, 4 related to task-level AI regulation and 4 to broader AI application, all demonstrating robust psychometric reliability. Key findings reveal imbalances in strategy use, with output-focused regulation most common and AI-supported self-assessment significantly underutilized. Variations were also observed by gender, academic discipline, and AI exposure, while ethical regulation remained largely unaffected by mere AI familiarity. This research provides a rigorous, practical tool for educators to diagnose students' AI strategy use, enabling targeted instruction to enhance metacognitive skills, ethical awareness, and balanced AI adoption. Students can also leverage it for self-assessment, fostering more strategic and responsible engagement with AI. The study offers critical insights into shaping effective, ethical AI-mediated learning in higher education. This study examines the propagation of public opinion during emergencies using an information ecology framework, analyzing the interactions among the information itself, the people sharing and receiving it, and the surrounding information environment. Focusing on the Henan flooding, researchers tracked content features, user behaviors, and emotional characteristics across different life cycle stages, revealing dynamic evolution patterns driven by these 3 interrelated dimensions. The model demonstrates how narratives form, shift, and amplify online, impacting public perception and safety. The findings provide strategic insights for crisis management, enabling authorities and communities to better monitor, guide, and mitigate misinformation, thereby enhancing public safety and social stability. This research underscores that understanding the digital information ecosystem is critical for effective emergency response. This study explores how social media can be strategically leveraged for sustainability education in higher education, focusing on digitally native generations like Gen Z and Alpha. Recognizing that traditional teaching often fails to engage these cohorts, the research examines platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and X to deliver interactive, digestible content, from short videos and infographics to live Q&As with experts. By analyzing real-world examples and academic evidence, the paper identifies effective engagement strategies that transform passive learning into active participation, fostering a global community around sustainability. The findings highlight the potential to make complex topics like climate change, resource depletion, and social equity accessible, engaging, and actionable, empowering students to become informed, proactive stewards of the planet. This study presents the CIRC-UITS Horizon Europe project, which aims to transform waste electric and electronic equipment, WEEE, and end-of-life vehicles into valuable resources through reverse supply chains. Recognizing that discarded electronics and vehicles contain critical raw materials and reusable components, the project tackles key barriers, technical complexity, economic constraints, limited automation in disassembly, and poor product design for repair. Through 4 industrial-led pilot programs, CIRC-UITS develops automated disassembly solutions, improved design for remanufacturing, and strategies to align supply and demand for refurbished components. The initiative demonstrates the industrial-scale feasibility of circular electronic supply chains, unlocking embedded economic value, conserving resources, and promoting a truly circular economy where products have a life cycle rather than a finite lifespan. This study addresses a key limitation in digital twins, sparse or low-resolution data. Digital twins, digital replicas of physical objects, rely on rich, accurate data to provide meaningful insights and enable optimized operations. Researchers explored AI-driven methods to interpolate missing data using a miniature remote-controlled racing car as a test case. They compared linear regression, cubic regression, and LSTM neural networks to estimate the car's real-time displacement between discrete track measurements, validating their predictions against complete data. The findings demonstrate that AI can effectively overcome data gaps, producing continuous, accurate representations of physical systems. This enables more reliable predictive maintenance, optimized engineering simulations, and advanced logistics applications. By enhancing data usability, the research unlocks the full potential of digital twins, paving the way for smarter, data-driven decisions and services across industries. This study focuses on industrial symbiosis networks, ISNs, a central concept in the circular economy where the waste or byproducts of one company serve as raw materials for another. While academic interest in ISNs has grown steadily, their real-world implementation remains limited, leaving a gap between theory and practice. To address this, researchers conducted a comprehensive literature review, systematically examining the body of research on ISN creation. They analyzed prevailing trends, identified the key enablers that facilitate network development, highlighted persistent barriers to adoption, and reviewed the various assessment methods used to measure effectiveness and impact. The study's insights are both practical and strategic. For industries and policymakers, understanding these enablers and barriers offers actionable guidance to promote the development of ISNs. For researchers, the review provides a clear roadmap for future investigations in the field. Overall, the findings point toward a future where industrial waste is efficiently reused, manufacturing becomes more sustainable, and global production systems evolve into resilient, circular, and resource-efficient ecosystems. This research addresses the vision of a fully circular production line where products can be assembled and disassembled efficiently on the same line. Current linear manufacturing treats products as disposable, making repair, reuse, and recycling difficult. A major barrier is incomplete or inaccurate product data across the entire life cycle, from design to end of life, hindering high-quality automated disassembly. The study emphasizes 2 key solutions: robust data handling through a product individual digital thread or comprehensive digital twin framework, and redesigning products for disassembly, DFD, rather than just assembly, DFA. To explore practical implementation, researchers developed a modular dummy product, focusing initially on screw connections to test and demonstrate various assembly-disassembly strategies and their economic implications. By integrating product lifecycle management with digital threads and prioritizing DFD, this work lays the foundation for a manufacturing paradigm that supports inline repair, component reuse, and high-quality recycling. The outcome is a path toward truly sustainable circular products, enabling efficient resource use and fostering a more resilient, eco-conscious manufacturing future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, join our newsletter to stay informed with the latest discoveries shaping science and innovation. See you tomorrow with a new round of breakthroughs. Take care.